In this video, I will show you how to see your favorite stickers on Snapchat. First, open up Snapchat and go to the Chat tab. Once the chat is open, just tap on the sticker option. The sticker option looks like a smiley face and is right beside the gallery text bar. At the bottom of the sticker bar, you will see a heart. Tap on that heart and you will see all the favorite stickers you have. To add stickers to your favorites on Snapchat, follow these steps. First, open your Snapchat and go to a chat. Tap on the sticker option next to the gallery option. Find the sticker you want to add to your favorites. Tap and hold on the sticker until a menu pops up. Select Add to Favorites from the menu. Additionally, to remove a sticker from your favorites, simply press and hold and select Remove. Now you can easily find your favorite stickers on Snapchat.